Hello everybody, it is Indie Meets Disney. I am Cedric, and this is my good friend,
Jonas.
And we are here today because Jonas has invited me out for a specific reason. What's that, Jonas?
So, if you haven't tried a churro before, it is amazing. And Cedric really needs to try some awesome churros today. So we're here at Sunshine Churros, and we're gonna try all of the flavors.
All right, I'm super excited about this. Like Jonas was saying, I am new to the churro realm. So let's go over, pick some churros up, and try them out. Come along on this journey. All right, we got our churros. They had about a 3-minute wait, not too bad. They're nice and hot and fresh.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try our first churro. So we're trying the French toast one. So it's covered in cinnamon sugar, and let's put some powdered sugar on there. Makes it look great. And then it came with some syrup for dipping. This runs $6.95 for this one because it has the dipping sauce.
Yeah.
So we're gonna dig in, try it, and see how it tastes. Yeah, that's really nice. Tastes like a really warm, fresh piece of French toast, like you would expect, like at a real nice restaurant serving breakfast. It's definitely nice that it's fresh out of the oven right now.
Yeah.
I do like the cinnamon sugar on there.
I think it was worth the 3-minute wait for it to be nice and fresh. So.
Powdered sugar on there is a nice touch as well.
Yeah. It's very sweet, very sugary, like you want like French toast, you know?
Yeah, and I do like the syrup dipping sauce. That really makes it French toasty.
Yeah, it comes together really well.
I think the price is good too for it, $6.95. So would you get this one again? What do you think?
Yes, I would definitely get this one again. It was really good.
I think so too. So this first one, I think is a win, French toast churro. Okay, next up we have this. It's called a Fruity Pebbles churro. So it has cinnamon on it, or sugar, no cinnamon on this one. And then it has a small piece of Fruity Pebbles kind of ground into the churro there as well. And it definitely smells like Fruity Pebbles cereal. So we're gonna try this out. I think this one is okay. It's definitely not as good as the last one we had, that French toast. I think this one is lacking. I don't get much Fruity Pebbles taste from this one.
Yeah.
I was telling Jonas a minute ago, I wish it had some sort of dipping sauce to go with this. I'm not exactly sure what you would serve. Maybe some sort of frosting, cream cheese frosting or something like that. But I think it's something lacking about this one. It's just not as good. I don't know if I said it or not, but this one was $5.95, but I don't know. I don't care for this one. It's just not that doing it for me.
I mean, it really just tastes like a regular churro. So if you want a regular churro with just an extra amount of sugar, you know, this is the one you're looking for. But I'm kind of disappointed in like the lack of Fruity Pebbles on there. Like I was hoping for like some real like big Fruity Pebbles, you know, you could hear that crunch, but it doesn't really have those. It's all right.
So I would not get this one again. What do you think?
Probably not. I'd probably just stick with like a regular churro if I was looking for something like that.
Okay, on to our next one. All right, next up we have they called it Nutella dipped churro. So it is the cinnamon, the traditional cinnamon and sugar churro that they have, and they just gave you a side of Nutella. So it wasn't quite what I was envisioning when it said it on the menu, because it said Nutella dipped churro, so I thought the whole thing was going to be dipped in Nutella when I ordered it. So not quite what I envisioned with what it said on the menu. This ran $6.95. So we're gonna try it out and see how it tastes.
That looks good right there.
Yeah, I'm a big Nutella fan because I do love that Nutella waffle at Disney, so I always go back to that when I hear Nutella. So I'm gonna dig into this and try that out. Okay, this is pretty good. The Nutella is a nice addition to the churro. I like the flavor on there. Can't go wrong with Nutella, the taste of it on the churro. The cinnamon sugar is nice on there. I don't know. I think I still like the French toast one the best. What do you think?
I really like this one. I really like the chocolate. I like chocolate, so anything that's like got chocolate in it, it's got me. I mean, I'm not a huge Nutella fan, but this is really good. This has to be like the top one so far, definitely for me.
Okay. So, would you get this one again?
Of course.
Yeah, I would definitely get this one again, even though I like the French toast one better. I would definitely get this one again as well. All right, our last churro that we purchased is this strawberry cheesecake churro. So, as you can see here, kind of has like a strawberry kind of mix going through the churro. And then
It looks
came
like it's
with
got a lot of strawberry crystals in there and stuff.
a cheesecake dipping sauce that came with it.
Looks really good.
So yeah, this one looks really good. So we're gonna dig in and give it a try. Pretty good.
Yeah.
You get a pretty strong strawberry flavor from the churro, which is great for your own strawberry cheesecake. And then the strawberry or the cheesecake icing that comes with it, you do get a cheesecake flavor from that. So you do get what it's shooting for, the strawberry and the cheesecake flavoring, which is exactly what you want, what you're paying for. I don't know if you set it up, this is $6.95. So this is a win in my book.
It's definitely a win. I like this one. This is probably my favorite one. Definitely really good. I love the strawberry throughout. You know, you just get a really strong strawberry flavor with that. And the dipping sauce is amazing. It's really soft and gooey. It's kind of hard to like get the churro to have it because it's really floppy, you know, and it's kind of like cheesecake, so it's a little harder. So
yeah, I wish it had been heated up actually a little bit more. It is a little solid. I think it's just been sitting in the refrigerator at the churro cart. So if it had been a soft or heated up a little more, I think it would have been a little better.
Yeah.
But not too many complaints on this one. This is a really good one. Yeah, I would definitely get this one again.
I would too. Yeah, I'd definitely get this one again.
All right. There was one that I wanted to try. They had key lime pie that was advertised. They didn't have it. I wanted to try that one. But all in all, pretty good experience. So
Really good experience, yeah.
we'll be back to wrap this video in just a minute. All right, so that's going to conclude our churro taste test here at Disney Springs. So what did you think?
I thought it was really good. My favorite was the strawberry cheesecake. It was just really great. Had strawberry flavoring throughout, and cheesecake just really added to the flavor. It was a really great bonus. I liked that they had some dipping sauces. You know, I would have preferred for the Nutella. You know, they had to like dipped it in it. You know, but it was really great that they had it on the side. You know, just so you could like dip it as much as you wanted. So you know, it's really great.
Yeah, I think it was a great evening. For being my first time having a churro, I enjoyed the experience a lot. And having so many different flavors to try was great as well. There were so many more on that cart that we can try and come back and try at another point. But of the ones we did try, I really enjoyed probably the strawberry cheesecake the most. But that French toast one was also really good as well.
Good. Yeah.
So it's been a great evening. And I appreciate you inviting me out to try those churros here tonight.
It was fun.
Yeah, it was a blast. So hopefully we can do this again with some of those other churros. But I think we're gonna wrap this video up here for tonight. So please hit that like button. Helps out the channel so much when we get those likes. And also subscribe to become part of our Indie Meets Disney family. And until next time,
See you real soon.
see you real soon, guys.